Are these weaving the silk?
Yeah, this area, we have factory, 150 people work.
150 workers.
And making real silk, not in tourist shop. Here we make bed covers, pashmina, sari, silk scarf, and tablecloth. My company works in Italian company, you know the Gucci? My company works with Gucci.
Really?
Because it's not like a tourist shop for your stuff.
Yes, yes.
Hard work. Yes. Computer thing you find all over the world. Yeah. By hand in Varanasi. Yeah. Varanasi, old but gold. In French, you have to say la soie. Yes.
Wow, that's very nice.
If you anytime interested in silk, this is the place of the making.
Okay, and your shop is over there.
Where the finishing product, they are most export and the wholesale.
Okay.
Here you can see 100% real silk.
Okay.
If you are interested to see how finishing product, just behind it, you know the place you're looking.
Yeah, yeah, where you are, yes.
If you want to see something, you can see.
Okay,
Let's
maybe
just
one
go
day.
look at a scarf, quick.
I will look.
Okay. All right.
Looking to means not you have to buy, only look.
Yes.
Just to see how much they work. Right?
Yeah. There we go. Here we go. There's.
We'll just down. No, we're fine. Cashmere?
Yeah,
Cashmere scarf?
Yeah, cashmere scarf. This is a pure Kashmiri. Other one. See, this is a pure Kashmiri from Ghats, from here.
From the chin of the goat.
Many. No, I have a factory. I have a many. See, this is a natural.
And rupees? For
3,500. And when you see the cheap quality, my market quality, this is a cheap quality. That is 1,500. If you like to see this quality, you will see.
Cashmere still?
Yeah,
Or
all
cashmere?
Kashmiri. I show you all Kashmiri.
No blends?
No. So which quality you like? You like cheaper? I have more expensive, more cheaper. So this is a cheaper stuff. 1 week in Canada, it costs 5,500 rupees.
right.
But that's sure. This is hand-to-hand delivery.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Which ghat you like to go in?
Oh, the closest. Just on the water, the closest one.
Can I show you one ghat? It's called burning ghat.
Burning ghat? Sure.
Burn the body. But don't worry, I'm not a guide to ask you.
Okay.
Because my job, I work
That's
in
your
a
job.
factory.
Maybe we come back and buy a scarf.
Take a time. If you are
Okay.
interested, then you come.
Okay.
No hurry, no worry, no chicken curry.
That's right.
He's the man. You like kurta pajama?
Yes, yes.
He's my boss.
He's your boss, yes. He's the owner of the factory. Hello. Yeah.
I love exploring.
Good experience wandering around here. Yeah.
They cover the body with butter?
Yes. Butter. No
Here's
butter.
where they
You know
buy
butter?
the
Yeah,
wood
yeah.
for the
Keep the body for
fires.
Oh, like oil, yeah.
Yeah. You can hear photography.
You can
Yes.
photograph
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Special wood up there for the fires. Oh, very interesting. There's
That's
ash,
pretty life-changing.
pretty wild. There's ash falling all over the place, of course, from the fires and the fire just down there is the one that's been burning for 7 centuries. And somebody's there to maintain it all the time. This gentleman that went up with us explained everything to us. And it's very interesting. the males of the family come. Youngest boy or the oldest boy is clothed in white. It's just the males that come to do the burning ceremony. It's pretty wild. It takes 3 hours to burn the body, reduce it down to ash. Then they take the ash and put it in the Ganges. Very wild.
Firstly, they put the body down.
Yes, bathe the body in the Ganges.
Hello, sir. You like to do?
No, thank you. Should I
Pretty
give you
much
some?
explained everything to them.
Yeah. Did you want to give some?
Yeah, I think so.
Here. I was going to give him 100.
Sure. Just say, for today, for showing us today.
I was just going to give Raj, the individual that showed us everything, a tip, some rupees, 100 rupees for sort of showing us around and stuff, and he wouldn't accept it. He was so nice. No.
He gave it back to you?
Yes.
Are you kidding?
Nope. He said no.
I thought he took it.
He took it and then he gave it back. He said no. He says tomorrow if you like, he says you give tomorrow. He says you give from your heart, not your head. I don't know, I was going to ask him. Maybe, eh? Yeah, because we saw the beds going from down, from the water's edge up. Those beds are just, so I'm pretty sure that they...
You're just rolling the bed along the road. I'm sure that's the bed that they
put the body on.
It'll be interesting. We're going to go down there tomorrow morning.
Are we?
Watch the...
Oh yeah, after breakfast, right? I don't know if we'll be up at 5:30. But I can see why you can't do the hand boats now.
Yeah, right?
That current's really strong.
The river.
Yeah.
Really strong. In fact, I'd almost be a little...
Worried about being in a powerboat.
Right? It's moving fast.
Yeah. And they don't seem to be the most, well-designed boats.
That was it. Us is we walk a lot, so we get around.
Yeah.
I guess it would be a different perspective around.
From the water, yeah. I guess it would be, but we'll see. But, what do we got? 4:15. There's a ceremony at 6. Traffic's busy here. Right, we're back out into the main sort of